QuizAlchemy can turn any text file into a set of multiple choice answers. QuizAlchemy is built as a multi-agent system using Google's Agent Development Kit. Here, a user submits a query, for example, create a quiz based on this URL of a PDF file. This query is then delegated to the appropriate agents. We have a few, for example, a coordinator, which delegates the task. There is a data ingestion event agent that creates a question bank out of the file, a quiz master who creates a quiz and displays. The question bank is stored in a SQLite database for later reuse. Also, we use Streamlit to build a front end. The agents interact with the user interface in two different ways broadly. First, it can do some direct modifications to the UI, for example, displaying text output. On the other hand, there is also need to display certain UI elements, for example, radio buttons and submit buttons. For that purpose, we do this via the Streamlit session, where the agents update the session state appropriately with relevant information, and then the Streamlit application fetches the data from the session and displays as appropriate on the user interface. With this sample query, create a quiz from this URL and display the quiz. Once that is done, it will create a quiz out of the question bank and display the questions. So for example, here you can see the question text. What is the role of labels in the context of classification? And a set of four choices. So let's select this option. And here you can find the results, whether it's correct, and in case it's incorrect, what the correct result is. There is also choice to create a new quiz, or you can type in here, create a new quiz and display it. With QuizAlchemy, we hope creating quizzes and attempting them would be a fun event. Thank you.